This is Penelope, a playful 1.5-year-old female. There you go. So Penelope would probably be happiest as an only cat. There's a kitten sitting right next to her, but you know, she likes to have a lot of attention and affection. She loves to cuddle and be held. Oh, there's a dog. So Penelope is currently living with a lot of other animals, but really she'd love to be your one and only. She'd be happiest probably as an only cat. An affectionate girl, playful, and beautiful auburn highlights in her coat.